Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a Miata out of Lego. Start by sorting bricks by color and size, then gather plates, slopes, hinge pieces, and a sturdy base or chassis to build on. Think about proportions and a simple wheelbase first. Work in small modules like chassis, body, interior, and trims. This makes adjustments easier and keeps the model stable while you refine curves and details. Begin the chassis by building a strong platform with plates and Technic beams to hold the car together and match the Miata's compact proportions. Add 2 axle mounting points spaced to match a typical small roadster wheelbase and reinforce with cross beams and pins. Leave clearance for wheel wells and a slightly raised floor for interior pieces. Test fit wheels early so you can adjust track width and ride height before adding body panels. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more detailed LEGO guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite makes it easy to read manuals and build instructions wherever you build, and it's great for storing reference photos for your Miata project. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like practical gadgets, consider it a handy workshop companion. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on creating the Miata's smooth silhouette by layering curved slopes, hinge plates, and rounded tiles to form the hood, fenders, and rear deck. Work in removable modules so you can easily access the interior or fix proportions. Add headlight assemblies with transparent pieces and small grille elements for realism. Keep checking the model from all angles to maintain symmetry and refine any awkward transitions between panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.